You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. Once upon a time, in a vast green meadow, there lived 3 strong and confident bulls, Blacky, Brownie, and Whitey. They spent their days grazing on the sweet, tender grass, enjoying the warmth of the sun, and basking in the gentle breeze that rustled through their thick coats. One sunny morning, as the bulls were peacefully munching on grass, they noticed a shadow lurking nearby. Out of the bushes stepped a magnificent, golden-maned lion named Leo. His powerful presence sent a shiver down their spines. Leo, with a crafty smile, spoke, "Greetings, dear bulls. I hope I haven't disturbed your peaceful day. I've heard tales of your strength and bravery, and I come in search of a brave companion." Blacky, always eager for an adventure, stepped forward, puffing out his chest. "I am Blacky, the boldest of the bulls. If you seek bravery, I'm your perfect companion." Brownie, not one to be outdone, chimed in, "And I am Brownie, strong and swift. Together with Blacky, we can face any challenge." Whitey, the wisest of the 3, approached Leo with caution. "I am Whitey, and while my companions are indeed strong, I advise caution when seeking adventure." Leo, pleased with their enthusiasm, nodded. "Very well, my brave friends. I have heard of a great treasure hidden deep within the forest. It's said to be guarded by a fierce serpent. Will you accompany me on this quest?" Blacky and Brownie were thrilled at the prospect of an exciting adventure and immediately agreed. Whitey, however, remained cautious. "Leo, before we embark on this journey, could you share more about the treasure and why it's important?" Leo, his eyes gleaming with anticipation, explained, "The treasure I speak of is a sparkling, golden crown, fit for a king. I seek it to prove my worth as the bravest lion in the land." Upon hearing this, Blacky and Brownie were even more eager to join Leo. They imagined the treasure's splendor and the fame that would come with it. With their decision made, the 3 bulls, led by Leo, ventured deep into the dense, mysterious forest. The trees grew taller and denser, casting eerie shadows over their path. As they moved further into the forest, Whitey couldn't shake off his feeling of unease. After hours of journeying through the forest, they finally reached the serpent's lair. It was a dark, ominous cave guarded by the enormous, slithering serpent. Its scales glistened in shades of emerald and sapphire. Leo, Blacky, and Brownie readied themselves for battle. They charged at the serpent, horns lowered, and hooves pounding the ground. But the serpent, with its swift and graceful movements, easily eluded their attacks. Whitey, watching from a safe distance, called out to his friends, "Wait! This serpent isn't our enemy. It guards the crown because it belongs to the creatures of the forest. Leo, have you considered why it's here?" Leo, pausing to catch his breath, looked at Whitey in confusion. "What do you mean, Whitey?" "We came for the treasure." Whitey, wiser and more perceptive, explained, "The serpent isn't evil, it's a protector. The crown you seek was created by the animals of this forest to symbolize unity and peace. They placed it here, guarded by the serpent, to remind all who venture here of the importance of harmony and cooperation." Leo, Blacky, and Brownie exchanged glances, realizing the truth in Whitey's words. They had rushed into an adventure without understanding its true purpose. Feeling ashamed of their hasty actions, they apologized to the serpent and left the forest, knowing that they should have respected the balance of nature. From that day on, they returned to their peaceful meadow, content with the simple joys of life. And so, children, the story of the 3 bulls and the lion teaches us that sometimes, in our eagerness for adventure and treasure, we overlook the beauty and wisdom of nature. It reminds us that true strength lies not in seeking glory but in respecting and preserving the world around us, and living in harmony with all living creatures.